What's good, boos? It's Sheen Boo, and you already know. You know who it is. It's Sheen Boo. So today, I'm going to be showing you my updated makeup routine, plus how to get like the studio finish makeup look. So this is very natural. Good morning, son. Very natural. It's going to be very smooth. And I feel like I should share it with you all because I've been getting a whole lot of compliments. I knew as soon as I started talking, my son was going to wake up. So anyways, we are going to church today. So it's going to be the makeup part. And I think I'll incorporate the outfit too. So show y'all kind of like a get ready with me for church. I don't always use primer. But today I'm going to use primer. I don't feel like the primer makes a difference. I'm going to use the Kevin Aquan Sensual Skin Primer. If you want a more affordable one, use the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. While that primer dries down, I'm going to go ahead and...
Mommy.
Yes, baby.
Take it off.
Okay, come here. I'll help you. While that dries down, I'm going to do my eyebrows. As you can see, this is 100% my real eyebrow. I don't need much. So I try to just fill in the see-through parts. I'm going to use my Rimmel London in brown. I usually use 004 black brown, but they were all out. Looks pretty much the same. Because black is just not it. That's it, y'all. We're done. We're done. I finally found a good eyebrow lady up here. Don't touch my makeup. Go play. Go play with your toys. All right, so this is one of the main things that I use. As you can see, it's gone. All of Patrick Starr's products are Chef's Kiss, and his products are going to be the stars of the show today because this is how you get that studio finish. It's a nice base. So he's being super clingy. When he gets back, this is what he does. Don't cry, baby. It's okay. It's okay. Mommy gonna get you dressed and comb your hair, and we're gonna go to church, okay? So you're just gonna put it all over your face. Y'all, he is really in the way. He's blocking my mirror, so I'm having to look in the viewfinder. I have a mirror here and one over here, so I guess I'll just look in this one. Because he's sitting in my lap blocking the mirror down here. The Turn Up the Base Versatile Powder. I typically use this, but I opened my makeup bag yesterday and it was broken. So this is literally all I have left, this little piece right here. Or you can use their new foundation, the Turn Up the Base foundation, their new liquid foundation. I did a video on this. All the Patrick Starr products that I have, I have a full video on, so I will go ahead and link those in the suggestion and in the cards. So let's see if I can get some powder out of here, and I'll use the powder and the liquid. I'll go buy a new one. It was, truthfully, it was already starting to hit pan, so I'm not surprised it broke anyway. But I can't hold you right now, baby. I'm doing my makeup. Oh no, I was trying to let you sleep, but then I knew as soon as I started talking, you was gonna wake up. So yeah, my skincare routine is like basic AF, but You got to find what works for your skin, because good skincare is based on, it's going to be an even better base for your makeup. Okay, so now that we're done rationing and scraping for the powder, we're going to go ahead and go in with the liquid foundation. We're going to start small. And what I want y'all to remember, that less is more. Less is truly, truly more. I love you. You see how that's going all over my face? I may need to... You want water or you want to watch Bluey? Okay, you got to hold on now, because now I only got 2 hands. I'm using one for my makeup and one to hold you. So anyways, I like this foundation, and I actually use it as a concealer as well. This one is dark for me, but the other shade is a little too light. So I don't mind a little too dark, because I'm going to brighten it up with the concealer and with the powder. Look at how smooth. It's already given that studio finish. Like, look at that. Blemishes are covered. I got a few dark spots. I got still recovering from that burn from almost 4 years ago. On my forehead, but that, you see how it covered everything? I don't think, you know what? I never put enough around my mouth. Or did I even put any around my mouth? Well, other than that, I think we're good. But that is literally, this is it. This is how you build your base. This is how you get that.
iPhone.
My iPhone is right there, son, but I don't want you to use it.
Over there?
Yeah, it's over there. But yeah, this is basically how you get the studio finish. But for the sake of the video, I'm going to show you guys how I do the rest of my makeup. But I'm going to go ahead and put my iPhone down, please. Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm going to...
It's a Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse? Okay. So I'm going to show you guys how I do the rest of my face, but I'm just going to basically speed through it, because the main part is already done, the basis. But literally, it's only one more step to get the studio finish, okay? And I'll be back when we get to that step. So here's the next step. You're gonna take... Shh, I'm gonna get your muffins. You're gonna take the translucent powder and you're gonna put it on your face. And what I've been doing... I've been putting it,
What's the iPhone?
not putting concealer under my eyes like I used to back in the
What's
day.
the
I just use the
iPhone?
foundation and then I'll drag the translucent powder
What's the
directly. My iPhone's up here. I'll drag the translucent powder directly under my eyes. Because when I put a bunch of concealer under my eye, it creases. And for my nose and my forehead, I set it with the let me get this boy some muffins. All right, so now that I got my son some muffins, I can go ahead and dust the powder. So anyways, I can go ahead and brush the powder off. But it's really the setting powders and your base that give you that studio finish. That has truly been a game changer for me. Putting that translucent powder down first as a base. And like I said, I don't feel like the primer makes that much of a difference. I've never been a huge primer girly. It helps, but I feel like if you just moisturize your face and go straight in with the setting powder, you will still get that studio finish, okay? And it's really helped me a lot. So I'm just using some Mario Badescu Aloe Face Spray. My makeup busting got all my products looking like dirt. So I still like to fan mine dry. That's going to tone down some of the chalkiness and just really get the products to settle into your face. My son came in here and just totally changed the chill vibe. He started talking. He took my fireplace away. But that's okay. I wouldn't have it any other way. I love having my baby around. I miss him. He was gone for 3 days, which is a very long time in mommy land. Because when you show up as your best self, you can be good for them and make things better for them when you're taking care of yourself. In my case, I just have one, but you know what I mean. And I'm using my OG Morphe palette that I need to get another one of. This is the 8R complexion palette, I believe. I've had it forever. Yeah, Complexion Pro. These products help me get, really, let's just say the whole everything gives you a studio finish that I'm using. But really, I must say it's Patrick Star. It's like the One Size Beauty Patrick Star products are just really very studio quality, very refreshing, and you don't need a lot. Like, I do not have a lot of product on my face. Do y'all see this? It's hardly any product. And that's what I like. Less is more. It's like sometimes you put less makeup, you still get that full coverage look. Okay? Try not to go too dark. Okay. And then lightly go around with the residue on my face. But yeah, my bestie, my YouTube bestie, I am Jalen Renee. She taught me how to put the powder down first. And when she started doing that, she had acne pretty bad. She doesn't have bad acne anymore. She's actually cleared it up. But if you are like have acne all over your skin too, and you go down with the powder first, it'll give it a blurring effect. And it'll cover that acne, so that way when you have your makeup on, you can still get that va boom and that studio finish look. We're gonna take our hair down, put our outfit on, and we will be back for the final reveal, okay? I'm gonna show y'all me doing the rest of my face. I'm just not gonna talk through it because the talking part is over. We are that girl. We were already that girl with our natural face, but we that girl on a whole other level, okay? All right, y'all, we have reached the end of the video. I have to be to church in like 17 minutes, so I got to throw my clothes on. I don't have time to show y'all the outfit, so I'll either put it in the thumbnail or on my Instagram or both. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Keep up with Sheen Boo all the time. Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok, and all of that. Shine Like Sheen is where you can find me at. So follow me and keep on watching.